Hi friends, good morning. I would like to introduce my team to the class. I am from Purple team, myself Harika, and other team members are Sunindra, Saindra and Chismo Banda. The project we have selected is developing automated evaluation system using Google Forms. We want to work on the project using Agile project management tool. The tool we have selected is Mingle, which is produced by ThoughtWorks. Now coming to Mingle project management tool, it's all about getting the team together and to know all the tasks done by the team to access the complete information required to all the team members, where it creates a space to keep the track of the status and to work within the team. Now getting into the tool details, the origin is the card wall where it measures the work of the team, where we set out the futures goals corresponding to every sprint. Now coming to the product backlog, in which we just add the goals we are supposed to work in the coming sprints. And next, release plan. Release plan have the update of the project release in each sprint. Coming to the sprint board shows the status of all the goals in the project. We can view our project goals in different trees like goal tree, release tree, retrospective tree, sprint tree. Coming to the goal tree, in goal tree we can view all the goals of a particular feature. Next, release tree. Release tree show us the complete release to our project at one moment. Sprint tree. In sprint tree, we can have a look of all the goals throughout all the sprints. Our tool have many ways to present our project like hierarchy, list, grid and tree too. Now my team member Saindra like to continue.
Hi, this is Saindra from TeamPurple for IT 601. In this session, we are going to discuss about Google Forms. If you want to get a feedback for your training session, or if you want to store your club members' phone numbers in a database, we need to have some software. The simple solution for it is Google Forms. So first of all, what is a Google Form? It is a great way to gather information about meetings and fast way for online survey. Forms in Google Docs are easy to create. You can embed forms on web pages or on your blog, or you can send the link out in an email. It looks far more professional than a lot of free survey tools out there. So, how do we get started? First of all, we need to go to our Gmail drive. We need to log in with our ID, and here we have a create option. We'll go to form and we'll click on that. By clicking on this, we'll get a tab like this, like untitled form. A tab will open up. So here we are having these options to put some new things in our form. Like we can modify our form by using these options. So first of all, coming to file, we have add collaborators. The function of this add collaborators is you can add some persons in your form so that they can see your form. It's similar to giving access to them so that they can change your form, they can see anywhere, anytime, and send form. This option will helps you to send this Google form to any other person's email. And new option, you can create a document, spreadsheet, presentation, form or drawing. And here we have also a rename option so that you can rename your form. We can also make a duplicate of this form. We can also move this form to a folder. If you want to delete this form, you can use this option, move to trash. You can also download this form by clicking on this. embed. Embed is an option so that you can put your form into a web page or your personal blog. Email collaborators. This option helps us to send our form to the persons you want to give access. You can invite people by entering their email address over here, so you can share your form with them. And we have edit option. The main use of this is we can undo and redo the things that we have done in our form. And the other thing is we have view. In view we have labels like live form, edit questions, change theme, combat controls, and full screen. Live form, when we are done with this form, like we have given a complete structure of this form. When we click on this live form, it will the main output of this form will appear, and we can edit questions over here by clicking on this option. And change theme, it is an option so that we can change the theme of our form. Like we can make it attractive, more attractive compared to the previous one. And full screen mode, here full screen mode will help you to get the full screen size of the form, so that you can easily get your task done. Insert option, we have labels like text. Text forms are for short text answers of a couple of words or less. Things like names or phone numbers work well as text forms. And coming to paragraph text form, it if you want a longer response, we use this paragraph text. And we have a multiple choice, and we also have checkboxes will help us to pick up more than one item from a list and check the box next to the item to indicate their choices. And we have a choose from list. By clicking on this option, we can choose from a list of persons or items that we are interested in. And we have a scale option over here. Scale option helps us to like scale questions. We can rate people something on scale of 1 to whatever number we would like. And we also have a grid option over here, and a date option, and also a time option. So we have going to layout session. We have a section header, page break, image, and video. We have a page break option over here. To insert 2 or more pages within a form, we use this option. And we also have image option, which is useful to insert images, and also a video option so that we can embed videos in our forms. Coming to responses, there are labels like accepting responses, summary of responses, choose response destination, get pre-filled URL, delete all responses. So after completing all the form, if you go live and give evaluation to a person, all the responses can be seen over here, and also the summary of responses can be seen over here. So coming to tools option, we have script manager and script editor, which are useful to manage and edit our scripts. The main use of Google Form is we can access it from any computer with an internet connection. Our files are safe in cloud, and we can do collaborative work wirelessly. The disadvantage of this is we have to be online to access our files, and we don't get the advanced features of a dedicated desktop office suite. So my teammate Chismo will show you how to create a form. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chisomo with TeamPurple here for IT 601, and I'll be showing how to create a Google form. So once you log into your Gmail, you would go to your Google Drive, and then once you're in the Google Drive, you can click on Create, and then there's an option for form here. And then once this page comes up, you have an option here to select the type of question. So for this example here, we would be choosing a different list of presenters here for our project here. And so when we choose that, we have an option to put different names on here. and then that would save it into a list, and then we can also put a title for that. So we can call this presenter, and then once we have that, that creates that first part of the form. And then what we would want to do to go on to the next page is we would insert a page break. So we would click right here on insert, and then insert a page break, and then that brings that that next option where you can put a page title here, and then also add an item. And for the items here, we would choose a scale, since we would be rating the presenters here on a scale of 1 to 5. So that would be the option that we would pick here. And then we have that page option come up here, and then also this would be a required question, so we can put that so that it's not skipped. And then once that is completed, we can view the form. And then so once we choose the presenter here, we would have to click continue to go to the next page. And then the next page would have the scale that has the different ratings. And so this will be a simple way of how to create a Google form. Of a completed form. And so it's an evaluation form, and then from here you can select the person you will be evaluating. So we can pick any name from this list or whoever is presenting, and then we get that option to click continue to go to the next page. The next page will have a description as well. We're rating on a scale of 1 to 5, and then those are the different things that we're looking for. So as you can see with the asterisks here, everything, every option is a required field here, so everything would need to be filled out. And then at the bottom here, we also have a comments text box here where you can type up something on here, and then submit the form. And then so I have Sunindra here, and he'll continue with what happens after the form is submitted.
Hi everyone, I am Sunindra. I would like to continue with what Chismo said previously. Here is the evaluation form we developed. At first we need to select the person whom we are going to evaluate. Let me select Vivek and click on continue button. When we click on the continue button, it leads us to an evaluation form. This form allows us to rate the person based on the attributes like organization, content knowledge, presentation length, delivery, visuals. Let me evaluate the person first. Organization 5, content knowledge 5, presentation 5, presentation length 5, delivery 5, visuals 5. And there is another option to add comments here. Click on submit button to submit the responses. In order to view the previous summary of the responses, click on see previous responses. This pie graph shows which represents the count of evaluation of responses on each person. Here, Chishma was evaluated by 2 persons, Sunindra evaluated by 5, Slate by 1, Sri by 2, Saindra by 3, Ramakrishna by 1. This bar graph shows 75% of the each and every individual rate 5 for organization attributes. And coming down to here, we can also view the previous comments also. And this last graph shows the daily responses of the form. Now let us see how these responses are stored. These responses are stored in a spreadsheet. Click on view responses. Here are the entities which we are seeing in the evaluation form. These timestamps shows when was the form submitted by the evaluator. Now let us know how to send the form to each and every individuals. First we need to create a spreadsheet containing each and every individual's email ID, and this is the link of the form. For this we need to write the script editor. Go to tools and script editor. This is the piece of code we developed for to send emails automatically. Just run it. Emails are going to send automatically. When the emails are sent, here is the flag which will appear in the C column. If the email sent item appear in the C column, that link was sent to Saindra. Thank you for watching this video. Next sprint we will come up with a app evaluation and presentation evaluation. Have a nice day, guys.